Welcome back Car Review. Today we are taking a deep and detailed look at one of the most futuristic and eye-catching vehicles imagined for 2026, the Skoda luxury motorhome concept you are seeing on screen. This is not just a vehicle, it is a bold vision of how long-distance travel, comfort, and performance could merge into one ultramodern machine. From the very first glance, this motorhome looks like it has rolled straight out of the future, and in this review, we will explore every important detail including exterior design, interior luxury, performance expectations, and estimated pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Skoda motorhome concept completely breaks away from traditional RV and motorhome designs. The body is wide, aggressive, and angular, with sharp geometric lines that give it a military-grade, armored appearance. The matte green finish enhances its rugged personality, while the massive panoramic glass areas add a premium, futuristic touch. The front fascia is bold and intimidating, featuring a sharply sculpted nose, integrated LED lighting elements, and a wide stance that instantly communicates power and stability. The windshield is massive and steeply raked, offering excellent forward visibility and giving the driver a commanding road presence. Moving along the sides, the multi-axle configuration immediately stands out. This motorhome sits on a heavy-duty platform with multiple rear wheels, designed for superior load-bearing capability and stability on long journeys. The side profile is dominated by large, tinted windows that wrap around the cabin, flooding the interior with natural light while maintaining privacy. Flush door handles, hidden storage compartments, and clean body panels give it a seamless, high-tech look. At the rear, the design continues with sharp edges, integrated lighting, and a solid, reinforced structure that hints at serious towing and off-road potential. Overall, the exterior feels less like a traditional camper and more like a luxury expedition vehicle. Stepping inside, the interior of this Skoda motorhome concept is where futuristic luxury truly comes alive. The cabin is designed to feel more like a high-end apartment than a vehicle. Premium materials dominate the space, including soft-touch surfaces, brushed metal accents, ambient LED lighting, and sustainable fabrics that reflect modern automotive trends. The open-plan layout maximizes space, making the interior feel airy and expansive despite the vehicle's industrial exterior. The living area features plush seating with modular functionality, allowing the space to transform from a lounge into a dining or relaxation zone. Large windows provide panoramic views, making long journeys feel immersive and enjoyable. The kitchen area is fully integrated with modern appliances, including an induction cooktop, smart storage solutions, a refrigerator, and concealed cabinetry that keeps everything clean and uncluttered. This setup is clearly designed for extended travel without sacrificing comfort or convenience. The bedroom area offers a hotel-like experience, with a spacious bed, soft lighting, and sound-insulated walls for maximum comfort. Storage is intelligently built into walls and under surfaces, ensuring practicality without compromising design. The bathroom continues the premium theme with a modern shower, high-quality fixtures, and smart water management systems. Overall, the interior reflects a perfect balance between luxury, technology, and functionality. When it comes to performance, while Skoda has not officially released full specifications, a motorhome of this size and design would likely be powered by a high-output hybrid or advanced diesel-electric drivetrain. Given the multiple axles and heavy-duty construction, we can expect exceptional torque, smooth power delivery, and strong towing capacity. This vehicle is clearly designed for long-distance touring, highway cruising, and potentially off-road exploration. Advanced suspension systems would be essential here, likely featuring adaptive air suspension to maintain comfort across different terrains. Expect cutting-edge driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous driving support for highway conditions. Despite its massive size, smart steering systems and advanced electronics would make it surprisingly manageable to drive. Efficiency would also play a key role, especially if Skoda integrates hybrid technology. Regenerative braking, intelligent energy management, and possibly solar panel integration could significantly improve range and sustainability. This motorhome is not just about power, but also about intelligent performance designed for the future. Now let's talk about pricing. As a luxury concept motorhome with this level of design, technology, and size, the 2026 Skoda Motorhome would sit firmly in the ultra-premium segment. If this vehicle were to enter production, an estimated price range would likely start around $300,000 and could easily exceed $500,000 depending on customization, drivetrain options, and interior specifications. This would place it in competition with high-end luxury motorhomes and expedition vehicles aimed at elite travelers, digital nomads, and adventure enthusiasts. In conclusion, the 2026 Skoda luxury motorhome concept represents a bold and exciting vision for the future of travel. It combines aggressive futuristic design, a spacious and luxurious interior, advanced performance technology, and premium pricing into one unforgettable package. While it may currently exist as a concept, it showcases what is possible when innovation, comfort, and ambition come together. If Skoda brings even a portion of this vision to reality, it could redefine expectations in the luxury motorhome world. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more future car and motorhome reviews right here on MH Car Review.